Hey, book lovers! If you've ever wanted to join a book club or maybe even start your own, this is your ultimate guide. I'm breaking down everything you need to know to make your book club experience amazing, whether you're a veteran or a total newbie. First things first, what's the big deal about book clubs? Well, they're like the secret sauce that turns reading from a solo activity into a social adventure. You get to share hot takes, argue about unexpected plot twists, and maybe even discover your new favorite author. Starting a club is easier than you think. Start by finding your people. Friends, co-workers, your cousin who reads everything. Anyone who loves books is fair game. Next up, pick a platform. You can meet in person at a local cafe or library, or go virtual with apps like Zoom or Discord. The vibe is totally up to you. Choosing what to read. Keep it democratic. Have everyone suggest a title and then vote. Mix things up. Fiction, non-fiction, classics, new releases. Trust me, nothing kills a club faster than reading the same genre over and over. And don't worry if not every book is a hit. Sometimes the best discussions come from books nobody liked. Setting the ground rules is key. Are spoilers okay, or are they banned until everyone's finished? How often do you meet? Will there be snacks? If it's my club, snacks are mandatory. The more you work out up front, the smoother things will run. Now let's talk about the meeting itself. A good book club isn't just a group project for English class. Keep things relaxed. Kick things off with a fun icebreaker or a rate this book out of 10 poll. Dive into your favorite characters, wild theories, or even the cover art. There's no right or wrong way to talk about a book. Stuck for what to say? Ask open-ended questions. Stuff like, what would you have done in the main character's shoes? Or, did the ending surprise you? And don't forget to listen. Some of the best insights come from someone else's perspective. Finally, make it fun. Host themed nights, swap bookish gifts, or even invite an author for a quanda if you're feeling ambitious. Remember, the goal is to enjoy reading and each other's company. So whether you read for escapism, adventure, or just to laugh at the questionable life choices of fictional characters, there's a book club out there for you. Or better yet, you can start one. Happy reading, and may your TBR pile never topple over.